Hello guys, so for today's video, we'll be teaching you how to change your Facebook profile to digital creator. You want this if you want to start doing digital creating or being a content creator. So first thing, click on your Facebook app, and then as you can see on your profile picture, click that, and then on the top right corner of the screen, you can see the 3 horizontal dots. Click on that, and then it will show you the profile settings. And then scroll down at the very end, you can see the turn on professional mode, and then it will show you the different feature that the professional mode are offering, like getting paid for the content, seeing the insights. What you want to do is click on turn on, like so, and then yep, you're good to go. You're on the professional mode setup. You can see the different customizations that you can do on your profile, like adding bio, adding profile picture, creating content, add details. What I want to do first is add my bio, introduce yourself, and then that's it. You're on the professional mode setup. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.